Wall-hanging wooden art, timeless beauty for modern interiors. Welcome to this immersive journey through the world of wall-hanging wooden art, where the raw elegance of natural materials meets innovative design and transforms blank walls into stunning expressions of craftsmanship. In today's modern interiors, wall art isn't just about filling space. It's about creating atmosphere, telling stories, and building connections between our living environments and the natural world. And few mediums accomplish that as effectively as wood. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the concept of wall-hanging wooden art. We'll explore why wooden wall art holds such a timeless appeal, the various types of designs that can enhance any space, and the specific styles and techniques that bring out the very best of this craft. I'll also guide you through ideas on how to incorporate wall-hanging wooden art into your home, and finally, why investing in high-quality wooden pieces can leave a lasting emotional and visual impact for years to come. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the beauty, depth, and creativity behind wall-hanging wooden art. 1. Why choose wall-hanging wooden art? In a world full of mass-produced prints and plastic wall decor, why is wooden wall art becoming such a beloved choice for designers and homeowners alike? The answer is simple. Wood adds warmth, texture, and authenticity to spaces. Unlike metal or canvas, wood is alive with character. It carries unique grain patterns, knots, color variations, and imperfections that make every piece truly one of a kind. Wooden wall art brings a natural beauty that softens harsh modern lines, balances minimalist designs, and complements virtually any interior style, whether it's rustic, industrial, contemporary, or classic. But it's not just the visual appeal that draws people in, it's the way wood makes us feel. It grounds us. It connects us to nature. And when it's crafted into thoughtful, artistic wall hangings, it has the power to make a space feel welcoming, meaningful, and complete. Wood is timeless. Unlike trendy materials that come and go, wooden wall art will always feel relevant, sophisticated, and deeply connected to our desire for both comfort and creativity in our living spaces. 2. Popular types of wall-hanging wooden art. The beauty of wooden wall art is its versatility. There are countless forms and styles that can suit every taste and interior. Let's explore some of the most popular and impactful types of wooden wall art you can incorporate into your home. Heavy checkmark geometric wooden wall panels. These are made from interlocking wooden shapes, like triangles, hexagons, and diamonds, arranged into striking patterns. They add a bold architectural feel to walls, creating visual rhythm and balance. Heavy checkmark layered wooden shadow boxes. These pieces feature multiple layers of wood arranged at varying depths to create a 3D effect. Light and shadow play across the piece as the day changes, giving it dynamic movement. Heavy checkmark carved wooden reliefs. With intricate carvings of nature, abstract patterns, or cultural symbols, relief-style wall art adds texture and storytelling to your wall space. Heavy checkmark reclaimed wood art. This eco-friendly style uses salvaged wood from old barns, furniture, or factories. The aged wood brings character, history, and sustainability into the design. Heavy checkmark mixed media wooden art. Combining wood with other materials such as metal, resin, or glass can create contrast and highlight the organic beauty of the wood. Heavy checkmark minimalist wooden slats. Vertical or horizontal wood slats mounted on a backing board offer a clean, contemporary look with subtle depth. Each of these types of wall-hanging wooden art has its own charm, allowing you to create the perfect mood and aesthetic for your interior spaces. 3. Design techniques that elevate wooden wall art. What makes wall-hanging wooden art stand out from basic decor? It's all about the techniques. Talented artisans use a combination of skills to transform raw wood into breathtaking visual statements. Heavy checkmark precision joinery, clean, seamless connections between pieces of wood are essential for geometric or modern designs. Well-crafted joints add a level of professionalism and refinement that sets the piece apart. Heavy checkmark hand carving. Adding unique hand-carved elements gives the piece a human touch. No machine can replicate the subtle variations of hand carving. Heavy checkmark natural finishing. The way wood is stained, oiled, or left raw plays a huge role in the final look. Matte finishes feel organic, while glossy finishes can make a piece look more contemporary. Heavy checkmark layering in depth. Artists create visual interest through layers, either by physically stacking pieces or by creating optical illusions through clever design. Heavy checkmark grain matching. Some artisans use grain matching to flow the natural patterns of the wood across multiple sections, making the piece feel cohesive and harmonious. These techniques, when combined thoughtfully, result in art that not only looks beautiful from across the room, but also invites closer inspection of the details. 4. How wall-hanging wooden art transforms a space. Wooden wall art is more than just something to look at. It can completely transform the feel of a room. In living rooms, large wooden wall panels can act as a focal point, bringing warmth to neutral color palettes and adding personality to open spaces. In bedrooms, small, subtle wooden carvings can add an element of serenity and calm, promoting relaxation and restfulness. In offices, a reclaimed wood piece behind the desk can inspire creativity while providing a professional, grounded look. In entryways, a bold wooden art installation immediately creates a welcoming first impression, showing visitors that this is a home filled with thoughtful design and creativity. Wood's natural tones harmonize with nearly any color scheme, whether you have dark walls or light, bold accents or muted tones. And the physical presence of wood, its weight, its texture, adds substance to a room in a way that no flat, printed artwork ever could. 5. Customization and personalization in wooden wall art. One of the most exciting aspects of wooden wall art is that it can be entirely customized. Because wood is so adaptable, artisans can craft pieces to your exact specifications. Want a specific type of wood, like walnut, oak, or cherry? Prefer certain tones or finishes? Have a particular size in mind for an awkward wall space? Wooden wall art can be tailored to meet all of these needs. You can even incorporate personal symbols, quotes, or meaningful images into your wooden wall art. Some people choose carvings that reflect their heritage or culture. Others opt for abstract designs that evoke a feeling or memory. This level of customization ensures that the art on your wall is not just beautiful but personally significant. 6. The emotional connection to wall-hanging wooden art. Wood is unlike any other medium. It carries with it the essence of the trees it once was, and when shaped into art, it tells a story that goes beyond aesthetics. There's something deeply grounding about having wooden art in your home. It reconnects us to nature, to simplicity, to craftsmanship, and to time itself. Wall-hanging wooden art becomes part of your home's narrative. You live with it. You pass by it every day. Over time, it feels less like an object and more like an old friend, a constant, calming presence in your space. This is why investing in high-quality wooden wall art is so worthwhile. You're not just buying a decoration. You're bringing life, history, and emotion into your home. Conclusion: elevate your walls with timeless wooden art. In conclusion, wall-hanging wooden art is a fusion of nature and design that brings lasting beauty and warmth to any interior. With endless styles, from geometric panels to hand-carved reliefs, there's something for every taste and space. It transforms blank walls into meaningful expressions of creativity while filling your home with the calming, grounding energy that only natural wood can provide. So, whether you're redecorating a single room or looking to make your entire home feel more sophisticated and serene, consider the timeless impact of wooden wall art. It's more than just decoration. It's an experience, a legacy, and a daily reminder of the beauty that arises when human craftsmanship and nature work together in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of wall-hanging wooden art.